Okay. So it is towards the end of January where I live. It is cold. So the worm bin is kind of in a hibernation state. So what we're going to do is we're going to add some water to moisten it up. And we're going to add some food. So I already fed them not too long ago. I fed them some rinds of avocados. So they look pretty good. We'll be throwing the avocado rinds away. The worms, they look good. A little thin, but it's during the winter, so I'm kind of expecting that. So I put them on like the four corners, the rinds, as I think I did. So let's just mix everything up and try to find the rinds. This bin has gone through, there it is, there's the other rind. This bin has gone through, let's see, let's move those around a little bit. This bin is 2 years old. I have cycled it through a handful of times so far. Okay, where's the other rind? There it is. There's the other rind. I think there's 4 rinds, if memory serves me correct. And like I said, I think I put them in the 4 corners, question mark? Or I put one in the middle, maybe? So what I did is I put Black Cow in here. Oh, there it is. There's the other one. Worm. Let's go ahead and... They're doing wonderful. Emma, you gotta get out of there. There we go. No worms in there. So, they're doing really good. They are very healthy. Good. So, this is Black Cow. Not the best, not the worst, but currently all I could put in for right now. I had to cycle through the dirt. When it becomes growing season, I will I will cycle through this entire thing. I will put it into the garden. So this channel is going to be about vermicomposting, composting, and gardening. I also have carnivorous plants that I will be showing on this channel. I have bees that absconded last year, but so actually technically they absconded the year prior, only for a swarm to join for 2 years, and then the swarm absconded. But in the bees' defense, I wasn't very diligent last year with them, so I had a lot going on. So we're just gonna add water, moisten up the soil. I don't really have it too much as far as the moist soil goes. It is dry though. I have the heater going on right now in the house, and there is no vent over them, so that's always good. We're going to try to do a full turnover and get all of the wet the wet soil mixed in with the dry soil, so that it is somewhat... I don't like it to be too wet. This right here for me is too wet. I don't like this. So I kind of turn it in with the stuff on the bottom. I don't think I have mite issues this time around. One of the things I was concerned about is maybe Black Cow had some of the manure might have had dewormers in it. Nothing like that. So we're gonna take some strawberries, and I'm gonna actually put them right in the middle. I'm gonna put the strawberries and mushrooms right in the middle. So strawberry, mushrooms, strawberry. I'm gonna squish this strawberry up. Actually, I probably should, you know what? I kind of want to don't squish them all up, but we're gonna come back in a week and see where everything lands us. That's what we're gonna do. So okay, so if you guys are enjoying the videos, obviously like and subscribe. Tell me what I'm doing wrong, what I'm doing right. This is not going to be the most professional channel at first because I'm still developing. But you know, I'm hoping for the best. So this is the worm bin. It's been going on for 2 years now. I think in the next video I might make a short about the outside garden I use. If we get bees, which I think bees flew in when it got warm. I saw bees fly into the hive. I will have to clean the backyard. And then I think after this cold spell, I'm going to plant some peppers. I'm going to do some peppers this year. I was thinking of doing a salsa garden this year, but I'm still trying to figure out what I want to do this year as far as the peppers and whatnot go.